What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another how-to detailing video. This one is how to remove stains from the headliner of your vehicle. I guess it's my buddy Austin's car. He has a G37S. He's bringing it over. Basically it's black stains in the headliner from transporting winter tires, summer tires in and out of the car. So yeah, we're gonna try and get that out for him. Nothing crazy exciting going on today, but I would like to mention that if you guys didn't see my last video, it wasn't anything crazy, just a couple iPhone clips thrown together from the previous summer. But that was we're doing a Duracon shift knob giveaway for Driven Collective. So if you guys want to win this shift knob, I'll put in the description below a link to how you can sign up for that. Yeah, not a crazy day today, just doing a little bit of detailing this afternoon. I forgot to mention we already detailed Austin's exterior in the fall when he bought it. We did a stage 3 paint protection on it. So we cleansed the paint, did a sealant, a coating, and then threw some carnauba wax on top, and it looked unreal. I'll throw in a picture here of what it looked like. Yeah, it's just like mirror-like reflection. It was awesome. Got some really good paint protection products that we are testing out, and nothing but fantastic results from them. So yeah, we'll wait till Austin gets here, then we'll get started with the how-to. Hopefully we can get all these stains out of the headliner. What's up guys? So Austin just dropped the G off. Just finished setting up a nice studio light here so I can both see what I'm doing and get some good footage for you guys. I'll just come in here and show you the stains that we're working with. There, if you can see them on the headliner. Bunch of little black marks throughout the headliner from transporting tires. Okay, so first off, before we start, unlike carpet and floor mats, a headliner is a very short pile and delicate fabric, so you want to be careful with this. So basically, whenever you're working with it, you don't want to put too much pressure on it. You don't want to over soak it or over wet it with a solvent or water. You don't want to twist or scrub too hard, because it can either instantly damage the headliner, or over time it'll start to sag, which you see in some older vehicles, and we definitely don't want that. Okay, so first off, we're going to take our fabric cleaner or interior shampoo. Take your microfiber towel, just spray a little bit on the corner of the towel, and you just kind of want to blot and rub gently on the surface, like so. Obviously for really dark ones like this, that's not going to cut it, but if you have a really light stain, sometimes that's all it needs to be removed. Just want to dab, soak it in, not too hard. So obviously this area we're going to need, these stains are a little hard to get out, so we're going to need something more aggressive. So now what we are doing is we're taking our, again, fabric cleaner or our interior shampoo. I'm going to spray it on the end of a brush, and we're gently going to agitate the area, like so. Just kind of suds it up a little bit. Keep on doing that. Make sure you cover the whole area. And then you want to take a dry microfiber towel and just kind of blot the surface, kind of absorb and wipe off any excess. Again, make sure not to press too hard. And again, don't over soak it when you're scrubbing. Don't put too much on the brush. And as you can see, it's obviously a little bit wet, but it's starting to look like we're getting a lot of that out. So we'll try again in this area. So for stubborn to get out stains and grease-based stains, what we're going to do is we're going to take white vinegar and warm water and mix it in a 3-to-1 ratio. Then we're just going to dip our soft bristle brush in that, and again, agitate the area with the brush. So it's coming along. Just keep on doing this until it all comes out. Make sure to not over wet this. If you have other areas, go to that, come back to it once it's dried a little bit. So I'm gonna get to work, do the rest of these spots, and then I will show you guys the finished product when I'm done. This is after scrubbing with the vinegar and warm water mixture, and you can see pretty much everything's out now. Obviously it's still wet and damp, but kind of gives you an idea, I guess. Throw in a few clips of a before and after in some different places, and kind of what the headliner looks like after. What's up guys, so Austin just picked up his car. He's happy with it. Got like 90-something% of the stains out, so turned out pretty good. Sorry again for the short video today. Just want to try and put out as much content as I can, even if it's just little videos here and there for little jobs that I have. Obviously, again, I'm really excited for the summer. All the upcoming shows and events, and getting the Evo ready for those. Yeah, a big thing that I want with my channel, especially through the how-to detailing sort of things, just gonna like show you guys kind of the progression as I grow my business, and you know, just really do how-to videos that you guys at home could do on your own vehicles. No fancy machines for a lot of these things, like to show you little tips and tricks, and so you guys are able to clean your own vehicles. And yeah, hey, if you guys have your own business or want to start your own detailing business, you can learn from me and all these different things, just like I've learned from other people. Just gonna share the progression of both Menards Detailing and Driven Collective with you guys as we go along. Told you guys I'm at Cherry Evo. Why not give you a quick little walk around, a little teaser of what's to come. So there's just a tiny little teaser clip of the Evo. Can't express how much I love that car and how fun it is to drive. But yeah, I'm working on a project right now with one of my buddies that we shot, I guess, in the fall before it snowed. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty sweet when it's finished. I'm excited. I'll put it in the YouTube channel. Anyways guys, thanks again for watching. Appreciate you guys staying to the end if you made it this far. And yeah, subscribe for more how-to detailing videos and all sorts of car related stuff, drift events, car shows, car meets, all sorts of shenanigans in the back road. Thanks for watching. See you next time.